Just watch it. Forget about all things. Just watch the beauty of the nature. Here is the leaves, and you can see the the drawing of the new bacterias and many things. And just watch this dog. This dog's so cute. Hey dog, can you listen this? Hey, hello. He ignored me. Oh, okay, just give me attention. But no, hello, hello. Oh, just oh, okay. This watch this. The another of your friend. Matlab, that's friend. Okay, he go. And now his friend is go. Maybe he's a best friends. Okay, now you watch the beauty of the nature. That's it, and enjoy your time. Take care.